So hey guys, welcome to the average coder. So as you can see, today we are going to participate in GFG LinkedList contest. And there will be 3 questions in the contest. As usual, you can find all the solutions in the description below. And the most important thing, I hope all guys pre-registered to the contest or you cannot participate in it. Actually, I just wanna referencing you to the previous day's video, that was 4-shift long challenge 2. If you go to the link of the solution, you will go here, and the password for that day was 123567. Okay. So in the same process you can find today's solution also. I just want to show you how to find or how to reach to the solution. As you can see, I was solved 4 problems in the previous day. So that's all. And password for today is 2305. I am repeating it twice. So that's all for today, guys. Keep coding.